afternoon. Welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government objective past question. Question number 14. The principle of separation of power is best practice in the dash. The principle of separation of powers is best practice in the dash. Option A says monarchical. B says parliamentary system. Option C says feudal system. Option D says presidential system. I want to talk of separation of power. The principle of separation of power preaches that the three arms of government should be separated and operate independently and in monarchical system there is nothing like separation of power, because the king or queen, that is the aim of government or affairs of the state, administer, and it has to be an absolute ruler. Then in parliamentary system of government, that is also known as a cabinet system, it is two S that is available in parliamentary system, that is the head of government and head of state. Then in feudal system suggests economic production of owner of the land, the relationship between master and servants. That is, but in presidential system means that the president is the head. Then, and the feature of presidential system suggests what we call executive institution. They also suggest what we call legislative institution, and the third institution here is judiciary institution. So among these three bodies, there is a principle of separation of power, and that is why we say the principle of separation of power suggests that the three arms of government should be separated and operate independently, and this is a feature of presidential system. So the principle of separation of power is best practice in the presidential system of government. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.